Well, the Internal Revenue Service is doing its part to make sure that you are not a victim of a scam this tax season.
The IRS has come out with a list of what's calling the Dirty Dozen, the top scams on your sides. Ken Amero's here chatting live about this.
Indeed. You know what I always say, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is not true. So today I went to the expert at the Tax Defense Network, a company that deals in taxes and has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, to see how you can protect yourself from at least 3 of the IRS's Dirty Dozen tax scams. At the Tax Defense Network, they've seen it all when it comes to taxes. It's a tax resolution company that helps taxpayers resolve problems with the IRS.
Of trying to get people into compliance to deal with disputed issues.
Ronnie Hicks is lead attorney at the Tax Defense Network. I spoke with him to find ways for us to avoid becoming a victim of some of the IRS Dirty Dozen tax scams. Number 1. The return preparer fraud.
You ask the preparer, what are your credentials? What are your educational requirements? Do you have some references? And then 2, one of probably the most powerful tools across the board is the internet.
Hicks says preparers are not required to have a professional certification, nor are they regulated by the IRS. Number 2, non-taxable Social Security benefits with exaggerated withholding credits.
Preparers have started and individuals have started just really making up numbers. It's really them just putting a fake or false number on a return to generate a refund, and it comes back to fraud.
Hicks says the IRS has upgraded its computer software, making it easier to detect fraud. Number 3, abusive retirement plans, where a preparer pumps up your contributions, which adds to your deductions.
But if you go to a preparer and they ask you something along the lines, what are you looking for? How much of a refund do you want? It's really a red flag, because it's not up to you. It's up to the code, and it's up to the preparer to accurately reflect those contributions.
Now, these are the other 9 schemes that complete the Dirty Dozen: hiding income offshore, phishing, filing false or misleading forms, abuse of charitable deductions, frivolous arguments, disguised corporate ownership, zero trusts, misuse of trust, and fuel tax credit scams. Again, I'll be online until about 6:30 discussing some of these issues at firstcoastnews.com.
You got to remember, Uncle Sam's in charge here, not what you want, right?
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Ken.